Manhattan Battalion 4. As per the citywide tour commander, they're requesting Water Ice Rescue Unit to respond to Pier 16. So that's where they are responding.
10-4, 10-4, respond.
Manhattan Battalion 1. As per FDOC, they want 1-1 on the Manhattan side, so just stand fast at this time.
I want 10-4.
2054 hours, dispatcher 45.
Manhattan, check.
Engine 9.
Please relay to Battalion 1. We have nothing on the Brooklyn side of the Manhattan Bridge anchorage on the westernmost portion of the bridge. It seems like it's a Brooklyn incident.
Engine 9, 10-4. As per FDOC, they want 1-1 on the Manhattan side. Just stand fast at this time.
10-4, us and Taliban 18 or 84. Okay.
10-4.
Manhattan calling Battalion 4, okay. Battalion 4. Alright, as per Chief Myers, the citywide tour commander, your box is going to go to an all hands. They have multiple serious patients coming into your location, and we're going to go to all hands. And I guess, can we make ladder 15 the fast truck there, okay? For the all hands? He was assigned as a water rescue unit just to stand fast. Make him the fast truck? 9-4 to behind 10-4, you can make them the fast truck. Very well. Time 2059 hours, dispatcher 58.
Rescue 1 to Manhattan, okay?
Rescue 1.
You have a box for this unit to respond to?
10-4, you're responding to all hands box 7-4, Pier 16.
Hey, 10-4, can you send me a ticket with 10-8 on the screen?
10-4, ticket's coming over. Manhattan, all hands operating box 7-4, Pier 16, between John and South Street for boat injuries. Manhattan, all hands go to work box 7-4, location Pier 16 between John and South Street for sailboat injuries. Rescue 1.
Yeah, Manhattan, during verification of this, victims in the water. That's it.
As for the citywide tour commander, there's multiple victims that are going to be sent to Pier 16.
Right, 10-4, receive that. There's no report of anyone in the water.
What's Manhattan?
Division 1.
Any way you can send us a rundown on EMS resources for box 7-4?
Stand by, Division 1.
Company 9, Manhattan.
Marine 9.
We're at Pier 16. We need a back for it. Did you have EMS meet us with one of the back for it? The police boat, okay.
10-5 out, you're coming in very broken up. Marine 9. Your message came in broken up. Can you 10-5?
You have EMS meet us with a backboard on Pier 16, adjacent to the police boat, okay?
Marine 3.
Marine 3 on your frequency, relocating summer quarters of Marine 1.
10-4. Manhattan Division 1.
4.
Battalion 4.
7-4, we just have a couple of more trucks to respond.
10-4. Battalion 4, you want 2 trucks, correct?
That's 4 behind.
Manhattan to Battalion 4.
Battalion 4.
Your extra trucks are going to be ladder 6 and ladder 8.
4, thanks, Manhattan.
Manhattan to Battalion 7. As for Brooklyn, they want 1, 1, and 1 to come to Pier 36 at Clinton Street and South Street, and they also may be having patients come on the Staten Island Ferry Terminal, Battalion 7. 10-4. Division, Manhattan Division 1. Manhattan Division 1. As for Brooklyn, they made us put out box 234. They requested 1, 1, and 1 for patients to come to Pier 36 at Clinton and South Street. And they may also have patients coming at the Staten Island Ferry Terminal. Do you want us to have units standing fast at the Staten Island Ferry Terminal? As for Brooklyn, they made us put out box 234, which is Pier 36. They wanted 1, 1, and 1 for patients to come to. And they also may have patients be coming to the Staten Island Ferry Terminal. Do you want us to put units standing fast for that Staten Island Ferry Terminal? 3-9. Battalion 1, stand by. We're going to check with the incident commander. Battalion 6.
Right now you're using 1 engine, 2 trucks, investigating an order in the basement.
10-4. Division 1.
Send the unit also to the Staten Island Ferry Terminal. Also, we're going to make this a mass casualty incident. Second alarm. We're expecting 300 victims to Pier 16. We're going to need units to set up a triage corridor as well as PD assistance.
Manhattan second alarm box 7-4. Location Pier 16 between John and South Street for sailboat injuries. Manhattan second alarm box 7-4. Location Pier 16 between John Street and South Street for sailboat injuries. Division 1.
Have the engines responding to respond with caution tape and have engine 5-5 and engine 3-3 corridor with their tape around the EMS buses at South Street.
Manhattan to Battalion 3-5.
Battalion 3-5.
You're responding as the resource unit leader.
3-5, 10-4.
Manhattan Division 1.
Division 1.
Battalion 3-5 is the resource unit leader, and Battalion 9 is your safety officer.
110-4. Division 1 also has an update. There's a Mexican naval vessel, 277 people on board. Primary is 3 critical, 17 serious. All victims will be reported to Pier 16.
10-4. As if staging is required, it will be Fulton and water.
Division 110-4.
Camera that report 2124 hours. Your incident duration is 4 or 5 minutes.
Engine 202 to Manhattan.
Engine 202.
Show us responding on your frequency.
10-4.
Engine 4 acting engine 10 to Manhattan.
Engine 4 acting 10.
4 acting engine 10, we are at 10-8 in engine 10 response area.
10-4.
Patients are off the boat.
Time of that report, 2145 hours. Your incident duration is 1 hour and 6 minutes.
1-1 to Manhattan.
Division 1-1.
Injured have been removed from the boat. There's still probably about approximately 100 souls on board. They're going to be taking the boat to Pier 36 to dock, and then they'll disembark.
10-4.
One to Manhattan.
Division 1-1.
Correction on that count that is still on the boat is 252 souls still on board, okay?
10-4. Time of report, 2149 hours. Incident duration, 1 hour and 10 minutes. Manhattan to Battalion 2.
97K.
Correction on the amount of souls, it's going to be 252 people.
252, 10-4.
2149 hours, just Tucker 45.